Staying connected while on the water is no longer just a luxury, it's a necessity. Whether for leisure or work, having wireless internet on your boat is crucial, especially when you're offshore. In this video, we'll explore marine connectivity solutions and highlight key technologies like Starlink Maritime that keep yacht owners, captains, and crew connected at sea. So, how do you get internet on a yacht? It's all about combining hardware, airtime, and tailored network solutions. While systems like Starlink Mini are great for stationary use, Starlink Maritime takes connectivity to the next level. Designed for larger yachts, it provides high-speed, uninterrupted internet even while cruising. With global coverage, low latency, and the ability to support multiple users simultaneously, Starlink Maritime is perfect for both work and entertainment on board. For nearshore areas, mobile Wi-Fi systems and boat-specific Wi-Fi setups offer cost-effective, high-speed options. These solutions connect to LTE and 5G networks, keeping you online closer to land. For those needing even more reliable service, hybrid systems like the MDS Blender combine multiple technologies. By integrating satellite, LTE, and Wi-Fi, these systems deliver optimal speed and reliability, ensuring seamless connectivity no matter where you are. If you're looking for effortless, high-performance internet, Starlink Maritime stands out. Its ease of installation, affordable pricing, and game-changing performance have revolutionized how we stay connected at sea. For more information on pricing and packages, check out the links in the description. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights on marine connectivity solutions. Stay connected wherever your journey takes you.